welcome back to my channel. So today I thought of making Kaleidoscope.
Hello Didi.
Hello Lena, you came so late. I started recording the video. Let us start. Materials required: glass, 3 glasses, hot glue gun, glue and some beads. So let us start. In 1814, Sir David Brewster conducted experiments on light polarization by successive reflection between plates of glass and first noted. He named this new invention after the Greek words meaning beautiful form watcher. How to make kaleidoscope? We follow these steps. Take 3 rectangular mirrors. Join them by its length so that mirrors are facing inwards. Then choose any side and cover it with a layer of transparent sheet. And through the next side, please insert some beads. If it is still not stiff, cover it with a layer of tape so that it will stay stiff. From the other end, add glitter sheets, pieces, sequins or glitter objects and then cover that too with glitter sheet. Cover with transparent sheet. Now decorate the outer area. Now decorate the kaleidoscope. Cover it with chart paper and start decorating it. Wanna watch how it is inside? Let's see. A kaleidoscope is an optical instrument with 2 or more reflecting surfaces tied to each other in an angle so that one or more objects on one end of the mirror are seen as a regular symmetrical pattern when viewed from the other end due to repeated reflection. Shake it, Alina. You will see that the beads are coming and falling in your eyes. Yeah.